What's up guys, Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and welcome back to our day trading setups or short trading setups and opportunities. And in today's video, Ethereum sell. Before the chart, as always, big thanks to 8K Broker for their support in our community. You can enjoy all the offers we have with the broker with the link below this video in the description. So what do we have on Ethereum and why I think it's still under the bearish pressure? Like it or not, that's a bearish price structure. 3 lower highs, lower lows, and we break below the most recent rising trend line, which now come to a retest. So at the moment, the market is making the lower highs, lower lows, and that is fully synchronized between the price and the indicator. There are no signs it's over. The next key zone that should be or could be retested in that case is here, this range and the swings between the swing high to the swing low, which create a classical level of support and demand. So with this idea in mind, what's expected? So on the 4-hour chart, we currently see some bullish divergence on a moving average of the MACD, which means the retraces are very welcome. We do need to pay attention to this range as it broke before, and now it is recreating the lower highs, lower lows. And now this every retest there for the broken support, active resistance through the highs of the supply is the zone to look for the sell opportunities. So if we go, I'm talking about levels of like starting from 3570 through 3700 and up to the 3900. These are all key levels when on the Ethereum. Let's take a look in terms of pivots and the volume zone. So based on the pivot levels, we have the weekly pivot supportive zone here and yesterday's daily pivot. That's pretty much around the levels we were talking about before. Of course, we also need to pay attention to this broken supported axis resistance and this high. They act as a supply. That's all key. First key zone. Second key zone is slightly higher around the weekly pivot zone. The previous day supply area on this swing high, and of course the daily resistance zone based on the pivot that brings us towards the 3900 or closer to 3900 levels. So from my point of view, these rallies as they happen, we should be looking then to sell. What I will be paying attention to, of course, besides the falling trend line, is some sort of a slowdown on the indicators to give an indication that the buyers are actually losing their momentum, and that should give the opportunity to look for the sells. Read the full article that the team prepares for you right here on the blog, VladimirRibakov.com. You can find all the articles here, and of course you will be able also to enjoy the access to our complete guides for beginners, for advanced, free books, free tools, and so much more. So follow this blog, VladimirRibakov.com. That's pretty much it for this video. As always, I hope you find value in watching it and the trading opportunities. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you do. Feel free to share it with anyone who you believe can enjoy the opportunities. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more. Wishing you good trading. Bye for now.